Oh my god, C to the OCONA. Oh, first of all, she literally was like, you guys are gonna know my name. And if not, I'm gonna spell it out for you. Alright guys, hello, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hello, my name is Linda and I make K-pop reaction videos. For those of you that already subscribed, welcome back. So you guys, I will be reacting to XG's tapes. This is COCONA, her test video. At this point, I'm just like on an XG binge, first of all. Oh my gosh. You guys seen my cipher? Please, if you guys have seen it, thank you. If you guys have not seen it, you guys need to watch it. Oh my gosh. It was amazing. But without further ado, let's just react to COCONA, her test video. Shall we get started? Let's go. Whew, she's gonna kill it. She's gonna kill it, isn't she? Whew, let's go. Oh my god, so much swagger in one person. Look at her outfit, the confidence, just the way she was standing. Ooh. Woo! Wait, hold on. That ad video was in my way. We gotta go back. Hold on, Game of Thrones reference? Are you? No. Shoot. Guys, I had to pull up COCONA's lyrics because she C to the OC. Oh my god, C to the OCONA. Oh, first of all, she literally was like, you guys are gonna know my name. And if not, I'm gonna spell it out for you. And then she had to go with the Game of Thrones reference. It was like, here for the throne, Khaleesi Flow. Like, if you guys watch Game of Thrones, Khaleesi is that bitch, first of all. And she said, burn them all, ain't no playing, no games. Burn them all. She's like the mother of dragons, Khaleesi, so, and that's what, like, she used her dragons to, you know, like, burn people. And she's like, hold on, let me just claim my throne real quick. She literally ate. After that, she was like, yeah, I showed you guys my English skills. All right, let's switch it. We're gonna my native tongue, Japanese. Okay, that's not enough. It's not enough. Hit him with the Korean. She was like, you guys thought, right? Nah, one language was not enough. 2 language? 3. She said 3. Oh my god, I'm so, you guys, amazing, like literally freaking amazing. She is so talented. Please don't sleep on XG, you guys. Please do not sleep on XG. But if you guys enjoyed my reaction, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know down below which other videos you guys would like for me to react to next. Thank you guys for watching.